Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a W-King T11 portable party speaker and you need to do a hard reset on it. Now you might want to do a hard reset on it for really two different reasons. Number one is troubleshooting. If the speaker will not connect to Bluetooth, or it won't sync with your device, or it won't pair with your device, a hard reset can fix a lot of those issues. Or any kind of, like, if it keeps disconnecting and stuff like that, just a hard reset to factory default settings will fix a lot of those things. Otherwise, if you also want to just have it forget all of its pairing history so that you can get it set up new, this is a good way to do it. Once you do this, you'll be able to set it up as a new device on whatever device you want to set it up on. So all we need to do is we need like a paper clip or a pin or something. Just make sure it's not too sharp. We're going to come around back here, and you see they have the mic jack here, and next to that you have a USB plug. And right in between there, you have a small reset button. So if you just press a paper clip in there and hold it for several seconds, the speaker will reset to its factory default settings, and you will be able to set it up as a new speaker.